Hello, Divi Nation. Welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative. Each week, we've been giving away 2 free Divi Layout Packs straight from our design team to you. And for this week, we have for you a beautiful funeral home layout pack. This layout pack delivers a professional layout for all of the different services a funeral home may provide. And with all of the pages included, you can walk users through the process of making arrangements, feature a wide variety of services, and even showcase obituaries. And the high quality of images and design elements bring a warm and welcoming first impression to visitors. Getting a funeral home website up and running with this layout pack will be a breeze. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I can show you how you can use this layout pack on your own website. Now before you can start adding pre-made layouts using the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which can be done by going to Divi Theme Options. There, click the Updates tab, and then enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. Now you should have access to the pre-made layouts without any problem. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages with their corresponding new pre-made layouts. To do that, go ahead and get started by going to Pages, Add New. There, go ahead and enter a title for your page and deploy the Visual Builder. Go ahead and click the Choose a Pre-made Layout option. That'll bring up the Load from Library pop-up. There you can scroll down till you find the funeral home layout. Click on it. There you can see all of the different page layouts that come with the pack over here on the right. Once you find the one that you want, go ahead and select it and then click the Use This Layout button. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to publish it. And you'll want to continue this process to create all of your pages with their corresponding pre-made layouts. Now after you've created all of your pages with their corresponding layouts, a good next step is to go ahead and create a menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Go ahead and give a name to your menu. Click the Create Menu button. Over here on the left, you'll see a list of all of the different pages that you just created. Go ahead and select all of them and add them to your menu. Under your menu structure here, you can organize your menu items however you like, and then go ahead and set the display location to primary menu and click Save Menu. And one last step is to go ahead and make sure you have a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page, and then under the homepage option, select the homepage with its corresponding homepage layout, and click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running and ready to go. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future layout packs we'll be throwing your way. And don't forget to check out our next one, which should be released on Friday. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.